Where should you live in South Red Deer? Exploring top neighborhoods. Choosing a place to live is one of the most significant decisions you will make in life. The neighborhood you select can impact your lifestyle, convenience, and overall happiness. In South Red Deer, there are numerous neighborhoods that offer unique features and benefits. Today, we will explore some of the most popular areas within this vibrant part of the city, providing insights to help you make an informed choice. South Red Deer, a desirable destination. South Red Deer is increasingly recognized as one of the most appealing areas in the city, often standing in contrast to the North End. This perception stems from several factors, including community amenities, accessibility, and the overall atmosphere of the neighborhoods. Diverse neighborhoods. One of the key advantages of South Red Deer is its diverse range of neighborhoods, each designed to meet the varying needs of residents. Whether you are a young professional, a growing family, or a retiree, South Red Deer offers options that can align with your lifestyle preferences. Family-friendly environments. Many neighborhoods in South Red Deer, such as Vanier East and Garden Heights, are specifically designed with families in mind. These areas feature parks, playgrounds, and schools, creating safe and engaging environments for children to grow up in. The strong sense of community often leads to friendships among families, enhancing the neighborhood's appeal. Vibrant communities. For those seeking a livelier atmosphere, neighborhoods like Clearview Ridge and Westlake offer a mix of amenities, recreational activities, and social opportunities. With access to shopping, dining, and cultural events, residents can enjoy a dynamic lifestyle that encourages engagement and interaction. Accessibility and convenience. Another reason South Red Deer is favored by many is its accessibility. The area is well connected to major roadways and public transportation, making commuting to work or exploring the city easy and convenient. Key amenities, including grocery stores, healthcare facilities, and recreational centers, are often just a short drive or walk away. This convenience enhances the overall quality of life for residents. A community focus. The neighborhoods in South Red Deer are designed with community in mind. Many areas host local events, farmers markets, and community gatherings that foster a strong sense of belonging among residents. This focus on community engagement makes it easier for newcomers to integrate and form connections, which is particularly beneficial for families with children. Natural beauty and outdoor activities. South Red Deer is also known for its access to natural spaces. The presence of parks, walking trails, and green spaces allows residents to enjoy outdoor activities year-round. Areas like the Carywood Nature Center and Heritage Ranch provide opportunities for hiking, biking, and nature exploration, appealing to those who value an active lifestyle and appreciate the outdoors. Varied housing options. The housing market in South Red Deer is diverse, offering everything from modern single-family homes to charming older properties. This variety ensures that potential residents can find a home that suits their budget and lifestyle needs. New developments often feature contemporary designs and energy-efficient options, while established neighborhoods provide character and history. Clearview Ridge, a walkable community. One of the standout neighborhoods in South Red Deer is Clearview Ridge. Located in the northeastern section, this area has seen significant development in recent years, with most homes built between 2010 and 2023. Clearview Ridge is known for its walkability, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer to live close to amenities. Amenities and accessibility. Clearview Ridge is home to Clearview Market, which features major banks, restaurants, gyms, grocery stores, and various other shops. This convenience is a major draw for residents, especially for those who do not drive. Furthermore, the neighborhood is just a 5-minute walk from the Gates Lakes Bird Sanctuary and Carywood Nature Center. These locations offer beautiful walking trails and recreational areas, perfect for families and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Community feel and concerns. The community in Clearview Ridge is welcoming, but there are some potential downsides. One notable issue is inconsistent cell phone service. Residents often report dropped calls and connectivity problems, which can be frustrating. Despite this concern, many people still find Clearview Ridge a popular place to call home. Garden Heights, a tight-knit community. Just across 67th Street from Clearview Ridge lies Garden Heights, another highly regarded neighborhood in South Red Deer. Garden Heights is smaller and fosters a strong sense of community. Here, residents enjoy larger homes and a tranquil atmosphere. Proximity to nature. The appeal of Garden Heights lies in its proximity to Mackenzie Trails. This area provides access to scenic walking paths and beautiful green spaces. Although the neighborhood lacks immediate shopping options, residents can easily reach Clearview Market for their shopping needs. Community dynamics. Living in Garden Heights offers a close-knit feel, where neighbors are likely to know one another. This sense of belonging can be a significant advantage for families looking to settle down in a friendly environment. Westlake, a family-friendly neighborhood. Moving to the southwestern corner of South Red Deer, we find Westlake. This neighborhood features single-family detached homes, making it an excellent choice for families seeking a quieter lifestyle. Most homes were constructed between 2000 and 2010, creating a modern ambience. Recreational opportunities. Westlake is particularly appealing due to its proximity to Heritage Ranch, one of Red Deer's premier parks. The park offers extensive walking trails, playgrounds, and recreational activities, including horseback riding and fishing at Mitchell Pond. Families will appreciate the outdoor spaces available for leisure and community gatherings. Considerations. One drawback of living in Westlake is the proximity to Highway 2. Depending on where you live in the neighborhood, you may experience some noise from the highway. While this may not be an issue for everyone, it is something to consider when choosing a home in this area. Sunnybrook, a charming older neighborhood. Sunnybrook is one of the most desirable neighborhoods in South Red Deer, particularly for those who appreciate older communities. This neighborhood features mature trees and larger lots, providing a sense of space and tranquility. Access to green spaces. Sunnybrook is centrally located, with easy access to shopping and amenities. The neighborhood is known for its beautiful walking paths along Piper Creek, offering scenic views and opportunities for outdoor activities. The mix of demographics here includes both retirees and young families, creating a balanced community atmosphere. Future development. While Sunnybrook maintains its charm, there are plans for future development on the southern edge of the neighborhood. This may bring some changes, but the commitment to preserving green spaces is a positive sign for residents. Vanier East, a vibrant neighborhood for families. Moving to the southeastern section of South Red Deer, Vanier East is a lively neighborhood that appeals to young families. This area is characterized by its energetic atmosphere and community parks. Family-friendly features. Vanier East offers several parks, ensuring that children have safe spaces to play and engage in recreational activities. The neighborhood fosters a strong sense of community, making it an ideal choice for families seeking a supportive environment. New construction and amenities. As a newer neighborhood, Vanier East features modern homes and infrastructure. While it may lack the mature trails found in older neighborhoods, it compensates with paved walking paths and nearby green spaces, perfect for family outings and outdoor adventures. Laredo, a growing community. Adjacent to Vanier East is Laredo, another newer neighborhood that attracts families. This area is still developing, with ongoing construction and a youthful demographic. Community atmosphere. Laredo shares the vibrant feel of Vanier East, with families enjoying parks and community events. The presence of nearby amenities makes it a convenient place to live. Considerations for residents. While Laredo may not yet have the mature landscaping of older neighborhoods, its modern design and community spirit compensate for this. Residents can expect to see continued growth and development, enhancing the neighborhood's appeal. Rosedale and Deer Park, established neighborhoods. To the north of Vanier East and Laredo lie Rosedale and Deer Park. These neighborhoods, built in the 1980s and 1990s, offer a mix of housing styles and a sense of stability. Diverse architecture. Rosedale and Deer Park feature a variety of home designs, from bungalows to multi-level splits. This diversity adds character to the neighborhoods and caters to different preferences. Proximity to amenities. Both neighborhoods are conveniently located near shopping centers and recreational facilities, including the popular Collicutt Center. Residents enjoy access to various amenities while benefiting from the quiet atmosphere these neighborhoods provide. Conclusion: finding your perfect neighborhood. In summary, South Red Deer offers a range of neighborhoods, each with its unique characteristics and advantages. Whether you prioritize walkability, community spirit, or access to green spaces, there is a neighborhood that will suit your needs. As you consider where to live in South Red Deer, take the time to explore each area. Visit local parks, talk to residents, and assess what is most important to you. Your choice of neighborhood can significantly influence your lifestyle, so it is worth the effort to find the right fit. If you found this information helpful, consider watching more of our videos for additional insights into living in Red Deer. We encourage you to comment with any questions or thoughts you may have about these neighborhoods. Your feedback is valuable, and we look forward to hearing from you.